In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Asana to Excel. Asana is a widely used project management tool that helps teams organize their work and track progress. At times, you might find it necessary to export your Asana data to Excel to perform more in-depth analysis, create reports, or simply to store the data for backup or sharing purposes. The process is straightforward, and today I will guide you through it step by step. To begin with, first, you need to navigate to the specific project within Asana that you wish to export. This is where all the tasks related to your project are stored, and from here, we will be able to export these tasks into a format that Excel can easily read. So, open up Asana and select the project from your list of projects. It's important to ensure that you've selected the correct project as this is the data you'll be exporting. Once you have the project open, your next step is to locate the down arrow beside the project title. This down arrow is a gateway to more options, including the export function. By clicking on this arrow, you will reveal a drop-down menu with various settings and options pertaining to your project. Take a moment to explore the options presented to you. This is a good time to familiarize yourself with the different functionalities and customizations available to you, but our focus today is on exporting. After you click the down arrow, you should see several options appear in the drop-down menu. Among these options, look for and select the one labeled Sync Export. This option is what allows you to export your project data. By clicking Sync Export, you are initiating the process of converting your project data into a format that can be easily used in Excel or other applications. This is where the magic happens, so to speak, in terms of transitioning your data from Asana to a versatile file format. Following that, you'll need to select the export format. You will see an option that says Project Tasks as CSV. CSV stands for comma-separated values, which is a simple and commonly used format for data. When you choose this option, Asana will create a CSV file that contains all the project tasks you're managing in Asana. This makes it possible to open the file with Excel and manipulate the data as needed. By selecting project tasks as CSV, you're taking the final step to successfully export your data into a manageable document. And there you have it, a complete and detailed process for exporting your Asana projects to Excel. This export functionality is incredibly useful for enhancing data analysis and reporting capabilities beyond what is offered directly within Asana. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you now feel confident in exporting your Asana projects to Excel. Thank you for joining me today, and feel free to reach out with any questions or for further assistance.